Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do the wall ramp floor technique. So the first technique that I want to show you is kind of like a slower technique, but a better technique to do when you're starting. First of all, you want to click R1 and then R2 and then click L2. You got to do this fairly quickly though, so then you can do it nice. Let me show you a little demonstration here. So as you can see here, it's fairly simple, but can be a little challenging if you don't know how to do it. I never learned how to do this, but I saw that it was a good technique to start out with if you want to try this rush trick. The next one is the glide one. It's where you slide your finger down R1 and R2 fairly quickly and then click L2. This is the one I mainly do, so let's see this. As you can see, it's more quick and efficient. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!